This skill will help you to earn 2 crore per annum job. Yes, companies are paying up to 2 crore 75 lakhs for this new job called prompt engineer. Yes, according to Bloomberg, many companies have started to hire prompt engineers and the maximum salaries are up to 2 crore 75 lakhs for this job. And you don't need coding for this, you don't need high-end skills for this job. The only skill that you need for this job is asking questions. Prompt engineering is all about asking AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, etc. the right questions. Yes, you only need to ask right questions, that's it, and you can land in a high paying job. And this is going to be the new normal job in the coming years. So if you are a student or if you are in your early stages of your career, this job is something that you should have a look at. Prompt engineering is getting its hype because of tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. See, it is all about asking any AI tool. It might be ChatGPT. Let's take an example of a ChatGPT. So the main purpose of ChatGPT is asking right questions and getting good responses from the tool. That's it, right? So if you can able to ask right questions to ChatGPT, many companies will pay you huge packages, and the demand for it is also growing in companies who are building these kind of AI tools. Even OpenAI is hiring people to ask right prompts to ChatGPT so that they can train the tool in a very advanced way. Even there are many tools like Midjourney. If you can consider Midjourney is a tool where you can ask your prompts and Midjourney will give you images for your thought. Even Dream Studio is one tool. I already made a video earlier on Dream Studio, how you can actually generate AI based images based on your thoughts. See, these are all AI based apps, and all these apps need someone to train them, and you can train them by asking right questions. That's it. So if you can master this prompt engineering, then ultimately you will definitely be going into high paying job. And this is a future jobs as well, because there are many apps, many tools are coming every single day after ChatGPT's hype. So this is a future. Many companies are investing a lot on prompt engineering and AI based tools. So basically all you need to do is asking right questions. And how can you actually practice that? It's not that you randomly put something and ChatGPT will give you response. No, that is not actually what companies are expecting. The right questions. If you can ask ChatGPT what's the capital of India or what's the capital of United States, so that is not a clever prompt, because that is something that is available everywhere. But you need to use ChatGPT in such a way that, or any other AI tool in such a way that you need to get the creativity out of it, creative side out of it. So if you can ask a ChatGPT to build an application, a unique application, that is what the real prompt engineering will be useful at, but not like a sample or random prompts. So you need to try and experiment with AI tools a lot in order to become a prompt engineer. Even if you can search for prompt engineer jobs in Google, you will find many of those jobs, because yes, many companies have already started hiring. Yes, it is still in the earliest stages. So if you someone who can utilize these AI tools properly, then you are going to get those jobs easily. So if you want to master that, all you have to do is like practice with AI tools every day. It might be ChatGPT. So ask ChatGPT the questions every single time. Whenever you get a free time, try to experiment with that. Try to include those AI tools in your work or studies. So if you're working, try to use those AI tools, and try to minimize your time. Or if you're studying, try to learn new things using ChatGPT. In this way, you are not just using ChatGPT to benefit for your work or studies, but you're also mastering these tools. So that is very important. And also I will help you with 50 different prompts that can be used with many different areas. I will share that document in the description. You can download that. So in that document I have shared 50 different prompts on 50 different areas. It might be education, it might be marketing, it might be learning purposes, it might be technology, it might be coding, it might be for interview preparation, everything. If you can ask me, like, I have covered major areas, 50 different areas, and try to practice those prompts, try to ask those prompts to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT is giving response as, and also try to counter question ChatGPT. And yeah, it will be applicable for other tools as well. So I have already shared about how you can use Dream Studio earlier in my videos, and there is also an amazing tool called Midjourney where you can ask your text and it will give you images based on your thoughts, and that is available on Discord at this moment. So yeah, try to put your hands on every AI tool. That is the only way that you can master this prompt engineering. And yeah, who knows, you might be the one who will land into that 7 or 8 figure job in the coming years. I hope this would be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and share this video with your friends and let them know that there is this amazing job. Thank you for watching.